Okay, guys, here's a question which was asked in one of the interviews for Power BI developer role in PWC. So here we have this table which consists of these columns, which is having ID, date, customer ID, quantity, value, country, and city data. And let me just explain you what the question is. Then we will move how we can achieve the solution. So for now, you just focus on these three columns first and ignore the last column because this is the solution which was asked. And let's just understand what the question first. So I will just go here and show the next level of hierarchy. Let me just go back once and drill down, I should say. So now here you can see we are having country column, quantity column, and value column. Just ignore the last one right now. And we have created a hierarchy over here in country column, and then under that we are having the city name. So here you can see in front of India, we are having the total sum of quantity and the total sum of values. And similarly, in front of the city names, we can see the total sum of quantity and values respectively. So here the question was that we should show the sum of values in front of the country whenever the country name is showing, and we should show the sum of quantity whenever it is city. So you can see currently in this measure or column, we can see it is showing the asked required requirement. So how we can achieve this? Let me just copy this visual from here and go to a next page and paste it. Let me just remove this test for now and let me explain how we can achieve this solution. So we will just create a new measure. There is one function called has one value. So if we check for the description, it says it returns true when there's only one value in the specified column. So we will check for city column here, and then we will use this has one value measure in our visual. And you can see currently it is showing false wherever the country name is populating, and it is showing true when the city name is populating, because we are checking whether it is having one value for city or not. So now we are halfway done to our solution, and now with the help of if and else condition we can achieve our final solution. So we will just create a new measure which will check for condition. So we will just name it condition, and now we will use if condition and then utilize this measure and check if it is true. Then we will say we should return the sum of quantity. So we will return the sum of quantity, and if it is false, we already know like we should return the sum of values. So we will say return sum of values and close the bracket. And now if I drag this newly created measure in my visual, you can see we are getting the desired output. In front of the country name, it is showing the total sum of values, and in front of the city names, it is showing the total sum of quantity. So I hope you get a clear understanding how we can get the solution for this question.